is fading. Don't keep me waiting for the love of a woman. You know it's been so long, I can't really hold on much longer. It's like moving a mountain. Believe me when I tell you that it's hard on a fella, but I'd be a fool to ask why. I know it's my turn, but you know that I've been burned so many times before. Why do I try? All for the love of a woman. You heard this story so many times before, but I know you'd never close the door on any man who was aching to give anything that he had for the love of a